Nire-repair kasi.
Hello, how are you?
Ayan naman.
Akil. You need akil pass.
Okay.
Eat. Let na eat.
Okay.
What's this vegetable name?
Yeah, I eat.
Vegetable malunggay daw.
Ah, this is malunggay?
Yeah, malunggay.
Tapos anong natapos nyo? Anong pinagtapusan nyo?
Wala. May nakita ko, madam. Yung option mo para madaling masagot, tingnan yung CCTV. May camera. Sabi ko.
Good. This is a good. All the time, ladies do like this, like this. Why ladies do?
Sabi. Pagtawa siya. Tawag si madam sa akin. So, madam, binigay namin ang best. Binigay namin lahat.
Tapos,
gising ko video.
Nag-complain ka?
Walang complain.
Doon yan sa glass.
Sa glass lang. Excellent daw
But
tayo.
she make video na, that's why. Okay.
Diba? Sabi ko, nag-mineral water na nga. Sabi ko yung may-ari dito, mineral water nga ang ano namin. Gusto mong makita ang video, pinakita ko. Oh my God.
Mineral water. Mineral water was the one we'll use for washing.
Yeah.
Mashallah. It's a very rich company.
Yeah.
Sabi niya sa akin, I'm so very powerful, maluan yun din. Sabi niya,
Mani?
imagine niya ma'am.
Imani call me. She told me they're good. You send their good ladies. I said okay. Also, Madam message in the group. I write your name and Mallu name there. Mallu and Jennifer go there.
Tatawa si madam sa akin. Sabi madam, yun ang sabi ko sa inyo, hindi lahat na ano niyo ang mga babae, gan cool. May iba na kliyente na kulang pa, gusto pa serve. Sabi madam, yun daw ang sabihin ko sa mga babae, kailangan wais. Sabi mo, bakit ibahin ko? Siyempre, ako, matakot din ang babae kasi part-time. Ako, harapin ko Di ba? Hindi pwede na gano'n na lang. Kaya ko nga. Ang baso. Kasi si TBB.
Nakita.
Kinuha doon sa yung ibang event. Yung may mga tinapay.
Catering. Buti nga, hindi tayo nanguha. Buti nga, wala akong nakita. Kundi nanguha talaga. Pero,
naalala ko, di ba?
Pero yun, nire-refill talaga yun.
Refill.
Dalawa lang ang nakita ko. Doon sa lamesa, hindi ko na alam nasan na yun. Si Maricel nga, di ba kung bubuksan niya, ilalagay niya doon sa, doon sa may mga, parang, sabi nung Juan, may bayad. Hindi ko alam sinong nagsabing wag may bayad. Tapos nung nagkukuha na tayo, wala na doon.
Iyon pala yung, sabi ko, yun pala ang sabi mo natin. Isang piraso lang binigay mo sa akin kasi tumawag ako sa'yo. Di ba si Lauren ang nag-serve yun?
Anong 25? Wala nga akong nakita ni Kusing nun.
Ako hindi naman lahat 25.
This one, bangus.
Tawa talaga ako sa kanya.
I didn't see that glass. Only 2 glasses I saw it with the water only.
She told me 25 glasses.
I didn't see on the table. I didn't see. There's a video. They are washing. There's no same glass like that.
Yeah.
Sabi ko kung hindi sila. Sinong ba? Huwag mo hugasan kasi hindi yan sa akin.
Natakot na ako. Baka ako may mga kumuha eh. Alam ko pagtatapon na yun, kukunin din ng babae yun kasi lagayan ng tubig. Buti na lang talaga.
Buti ako,
mabait
hindi ako
tayo.
nakakuha.
Ako din din. Promise kong nakita ko talaga yun. At itatapon na. Pero ako, tatanungin ko. Tatanungin ko muna kung itatapon na. Kasi yung ibang company, nagtatapon sila ng mga ganyan. Pero pag glass kasi, ulit nila yan. Pero pag may plastic kasi niyan, there's a plastic same like that. Maybe they will throw.
Maybe.
But the glass, no.
Kagaya sabi ko, nandun. Ang iba, dinala sa mga,
catering.
Ang iba, dinala sa catering. Ang iba, yung mga tao ba, yung mga puting mata, yung blue-blue eyes daw.
Hindi ko siya nakakita, promise.
Nag-serve, sino nag-serve yun? Una si Loren, di ba? Naghingi ako tubig. Si Loren, nag-serve. Binigay mo ba sa isang yung kalbo. Siya nag-serve. Isa lang yung piraso yun.
Ito naging 25.
Nag-add.
Kung 25 yun, makikita natin. Sobrang dami. If that 25, I can see, we will see.
Yeah, 25 is a big amount.
Aywa! So I can
They
see
need
on the
plates,
table.
they need just...
If they put in the table, I will see. Because I told to Malu, I didn't see any glass like that. I saw only two. Two glasses.
Imani call me and too much girgir with me.
Pero may dinakgergir po me.
She said,
Say,
she
careful.
told me, why you did not check? What I checked? Mallu is also there. How I check?
You know, the madam is not there.
Mom.
She go home already.
Si Goming company lang only in app. That's why the big problem. The cleaners and all visitors, they take the water because it's nice glass.
Why they didn't told us that, please clearance this one, because this one we will refill.
Yeah.
So we will know.
Yeah.
She didn't tell us anything. The cleaner was the one who will put, I think, I don't know to whom.
May lang only glass for that. They have to cup glass for water.
Because we
to
thought
drink.
for the glass, there's a glass of water. Glass. Yan yung glass. I thought this one. That's why I told to Malu, it's in the pantry. We live there.
Too much difficult. That's why the service. Because too much fun. One, mineral water. What can I do? I tell mom, that lady, give me water. If no water, I'd go in the for the bathroom.
Allah Akbar.
Siya, no, by it's not allowed to
Because,
go
you
in.
know, what is this? I think foreign.
Why there is no kitchen?
They have kitchen, but except for farmer's par.
Because that's building.
All CEO,
Very, very,
celebrity.
and very strict. They don't want you go inside with the slipper. They
Allah
want with the
Akbar.
shoes.
How to go?
Yeah, it's good that I wearing shoes that time. Every time I wear a slipper. Next time they must clear.
Clear Imani.
Wow.
Imani clear. Musapa, but not Musapa. What you tell for them? Tell Salim too much, too much, you drive, be careful, but
Yeah. Amani said, where are you? The madam calling me how many times? I said, you are late. This is long time party. Said like that. And then she said to me, tell to Salim to drive safely, but make it fast.
Allah Akbar. How to make it fast?
too much traffic.
Fly.
Yeah.
Fly, airplane.
The same color, Imani, the lady.
Yeah. I think that's American. Black American.
Maybe.
Ayun. Because all the visitor there, American. Blue eyes.
So I
Handsome.
tell you.
Handsome.
MashaAllah.
All man.
That's why I tell
There's
you.
a woman, but little. All man. Most of them man.
Too much handsome.
Aywa. Blue eyes. Too much.
Young.
Macho. Not young.
Not young. They have old.
Old. But still handsome.
Handsome.
MashaAllah.
Because too much rich.
Yeah, you know, money is a make man healthy.
No. He's CEO. You know CEO?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
All.
Owning business.
All.
Pwede tapon dito, di ba?
No. Bye.
Noreen have a baby there.
Hmm.
Noreen wants. Pastor.
Pastor, the name. Not pastor in the church. Pastor, the name.
You need Noreen?
No. Noreen wants.
No.
Good enough.
Crush. Noreen crush.
Yeah.
Crush Noreen. Hungry.
Not angry.
Hungry?
Hungry.
You eat more.
Okay, I will eat later. Too much eat already. Your lady finger is nice.
Yeah.
Also-
I steam only that. I steam it. I did
We don't have oven now. Oven.
I steam only.
Steam in water?
Yeah. No. I didn't put water. You know, I cook rice
Yeah.
and I have steamer. I put enough.
Up. Oh.
I didn't put any water because if you put water, it will become. Ay,
Yeah. Okay, wait.
thank you.
Welcome. Oil. Where is Iman?
I don't know what to pick for me.
Take care of all things because you know already everyone call. This is a big problem.
It's good for this one.
Yeah.
No, big question that one. Too much difficult that one, the
Client.
client. I don't like big problem. The Iman. Because I feel this one. Because I need to. One.
Ah. Yes, okay. No problem. This one. And this one. 2. Yeah, 2 kg. Take it big one, not small one. Also take it small spoon. This is okay. Big one, Mallu.
Nida. Take it, the long one. This one, I know. This one, cooking.
No, you take it this spoon, no? Small one spoon. For Gemat. You put rainbow or not?
I put in the rainbow. But the problem,
Gas.
because I don't know how to.
Okay, no problem. If Iman is there, he will check. She will check. Don't be worried. Take it easy. You relax your mind and you go there. You don't be hyper. Relax.
I hyper.
No need to hyper.
The chick hope. Because half this. Just too much client, this one problem. I give 100% good.
Allahu Akbar. You take it, no problem for us.
I tell the client this one.
Yeah, too much problem. Everyone call us. This client is.
Maybe friend for that one for hindi ko na lagi ako oh. Ditanggal ko na. Kaya, alam mo na akong yelo.
This is the big problem the client.
You take it ice. Where are this lady? BP is 170 plus.
Oh, same me.
Yeah, and sugar is 300 plus.
Oh my god. Me only BP.
Same like me.
Yeah.
My BP.
But now okay because I have medicine.
Me also take medicine all the time. For ladies, many problems. All the time he forget. No. Yes. I told you not in the store. Why you did not trust on me?
No, I remember. There like I quote. Okay na. Nakaraan sa Miss, yung, ano to? Yung sa swimsuit daw nila, nanood kami dalawa. Hindi nga, sa 21. Yung
Oh, wait.
the one, ilan ba yung dinagwan?
But I go here.
United and Palestine.
Yeah.
3 countries only.
Ang ganda din.
No, also in Afghanistan, also in.
There's no Afghanistan.
No.
They don't have Miss Universe. They don't have candidates.
Bakit ang aga naman tayo pupunta? Na 4 o'clock pa man yan. Baka magsabi naman siya. Ang lamig ng drains namin. Ang lamig. Tuokin kita.
Alas 7 ang mag-umpisa.
Di ba? 7 is on.
No, sometimes the madam didn't start yet.
Yeah. Okay, you take it this one.
Why?
And you make hot there.
That's why. I need press. I need. The client. Why you did not tell after you are there? You tell the blower. I need the poker there. Ito ba yun?
Yeah, if he need, why he did not tell before? He need a live cooker.
Manunod ako mamaya.
Manood ka naman.
Pagdating ko.
Nako, makagigil.
Magigil ka. Or we'll watch later.
Ano ko talaga. Iabangan.
Nanood ako preliminary.
Madam also told Mallu, learn about Gemat. We will hire the cooker. This is too much.
Problem.
Yeah.
How? I tell that one, madam, I did not 100% I cook gimat. If you cook gimat, kaliwali mo. No? That's why.
Like this, Malong. Ako talaga. Me? I don't want. Wala, before, I want long time. Maybe I know already.
Gimat.
But I don't want. It's very hot.
And
Why you didn't eat this one?
You-
How many amount? Like this, okay, kalas. But this one, Shin, you make
Yeah, oh.
it
This is a problem.
circle.
Too much problem.
But they said, Ate Maribel said it's, yani, don't make too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, yung, wag masyadong malambot.
Oh.
Soft kasi parang hindi siya magbibilog. Yung parang katang kutsara, spoon.
Yeah. Same like this.
Use spoon. Yeah. The other, use hand.